Have you ever had that moment? You lie down, grab your phone, just one more video, and suddenly, it's 3 a.m. Then you wake up, tired, eyes burning, mind heavy, and you say the same thing as always. I'll sleep early tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. And yet, there's always that one guy online saying, I only sleep 5 hours and I feel amazing. And you're like, how is that even possible? The truth is simple. It's not about sleeping more. It's about sleeping better. Your brain works in cycles, about 90 minutes each. It moves through light sleep, then deep sleep, and then REM. Deep sleep is what restores your body, your muscles, your energy, your system. REM sleep restores your mind, your focus, your creativity, your memory. When these cycles are aligned, your body truly recovers, even with fewer hours of sleep. But when your sleep is chaotic, blue light, stress, caffeine, distractions, you can sleep 9 hours and still wake up exhausted. So the goal isn't more time in bed, it's more quality in every hour you sleep. And this is where the real game begins. First rule, go to sleep at the same time every night. Your brain loves consistency. When you sleep and wake at the same time every day, your body learns, adapts, prepares. Your sleep becomes deeper, more efficient, more powerful. Second rule, think in 90-minute cycles. Waking up in the middle of a cycle leaves you slow, heavy, confused. But waking up at the end of a cycle makes you feel light, awake, ready. Third rule, slow down before bed. The last hour of your day defines the quality of your night. Less screen, less bright light, less stimulation, more calm, more silence, more presence. Your body needs to understand it's time to shut down. Fourth rule, morning light. Don't grab your phone first thing. Get up, go to the window, or step outside. Sunlight tells your brain, it's time to wake up, and it changes your entire day. Fifth rule, move immediately, no snooze, no delay. Get up, splash cold water on your face, move your body, activate yourself. Within minutes, your energy completely shifts. Now pay attention to this. Sleeping well is not a luxury. It's a strategy. It's not weakness. It's performance. It's not about who stays up late. It's about who wakes up clear. You can't perform if your mind is tired. You can't grow if your energy is drained. When you improve your sleep, you improve everything. Your focus, your discipline, your mood, your life. And one day, without even realizing it, you'll wake up before your alarm with a clear mind, a ready body, and the feeling that you actually rested. And in that moment, you'll understand. You didn't need more time. You just needed more energy. If this made sense to you, hit like and follow the channel, because the next video might completely change your day.